Do you want to stay with me? She said yes, she's totally sorry. Oh. Why did you laugh at me? He said, I don't know. Oh.